So we came across this house, and by the looks of it, it looks abandoned, but we don't know it. There is no signs of life, and it doesn't look maintained, but Alright guys, we made it inside. After a long search for a way in, we finally found one. So this place is called Usine Skelet. Now, why is it called Usine Skelet? Because there is some amazing graffiti art here. And yeah, it is from a skeleton, so let's find the art. But at the first signs, there is no way in, unfortunately. So it's getting more summer now, so there will be more and more bushes and forests to go through. Nasty. All those mosquitoes. Alright, so our car is parked right over there on the other side, and there was no way in. Whoa. But here, there is. Ow. Alright. We're inside. Whoa, some cool machinery. There is already one of the cool first graffiti art. And over there also. So guys, I found the thing we wanted to see very badly. I wanted to see very badly. So we're going up the stairs, Is it this way? No? Okay. Oh, it's this way, Yeah! We found it! Boom! This is a very nice one. This is so fucking cool. Damn guys, look at this art, this is amazing. Whoa, look at this. This is also awesome. It's like he's coming right out of the TV. Man, this place is incredible. So many cool graffiti art. Nature is totally taking over this place also. Look at it. The trees are just growing inside of this abandoned usine, how do you say it, factory, yeah. Dude, look at it. It's just art, it's amazing. This place is cool. I think some local people built this like a little skate park. Here you see some jumps for with the bike. Like here, some sort of ramp. This is a really nice spot. Man, these trees are just growing everywhere. So guys, this place has a lot of mold and dust, and it's getting hard to breathe for me, so I put this on. But yeah, let's go explore a little bit further. But the areas are getting filthier and filthier, as you can see. I will show you guys. As you can see on the floor, look how green everything is from the mold. It's just like over there, you see. And it's getting on my system, my lungs. I'm getting hard to breathe now. It's getting hard to breathe. Let's check out this room. Oh, nice, nice.